Obviously we're a special needs context, so it's a bit different to mainstream setting. But I think that being part of the Super Ambassadors scheme is very important because obviously they get to go to workshops, learn about the rights, and then they can bring that information back to school. There's a lot of hands-on activities as well for them, and obviously the termly challenges.
We felt that it would really give us a platform of understanding what we do already, which is keeping our pupils healthy, keeping them safe and keeping them happy. But we thought by going through a rights respecting way to do it would really link in with our new Pioneering School venture, which is all about putting health and well-being at the core of what we're doing. And it would also empower our children more to access a people voice, really, which is massively what Article 12 is all about in their rights.
I think giving our kids a voice for themselves, where a lot of people have actually done them for them, and outside agencies and parents because of their disabilities, I think actually giving them, empowering them to have their own say, to have their own individual needs and their rights, and expressing that.
I think it's important to listen to our pupils, listen to their needs, listen to their opinions and what they want to change in school and make their school life and home life, personal lives better. I think it's important that the pupils know about their rights and know what they're entitled to.
It gives them a chance to talk and be honest about the effects that their community have on them and their peers.
I think that the pupils enjoy learning about their rights, and they enjoy kind of expressing their opinions to having an ownership over life in school.